GCP CLI command line interface. So there is two part of here. First one is installing and configuring GCP SDK. So this one have installing without Docker, installing using Docker, configuration Cloud SDK using Cloud Shell. So we are going one method here, and next one you need to try. So GCP also provide command line interface using SDK. CLI interface provide more functionality over GUI or web browser. So in fact, there are some tasks you cannot accomplish using website, and tasks and functions need to be done via CLI only. So let's see how to install configure Google Cloud CLI installation without Docker. There is multiple way to SDK. Recome to way to install anything. Open up officially document and look the installments method in your system. Okay, so if you don't have a Docker installing, so I will provide the link and you can click here. You can see the installation of CLI. This include gcloud, gsutil, and basic command. So this is for Linux, W, Reds, Mac OS. I'm using Mac OS, and my MacBook is M1, so I need to download this version, and based on your version you can download from here. So this is way to run the script in folder gcloud on install.in, and then once you install, then it can be done gcloud in. So I directly did this one, initiate Google Cloud. This is screen reader 2. This is command you need to run. Okay, so if you want to use Docker version of SDK, it's also fine, since Docker is abstract and all the dependency and works all the system. Docker is quick way to get started. So if you know the basics, get started Docker, you can go the Docker course. I will give the link also. So Docker, maybe I will take the lecture in another section. So we are going for that installation. So I would like to show. So I downloaded this one, and you see there are many folder. This is the bin folder. We need to use the bin folder, and so as you see, so previously I run the bin folder and I use this command. So gcloud init, then your current configuration is default, and the following flag, and this one is diagnosis. Then it will ask yes, then it will go to for ask for permission. Once you give permission, then it will ask you to choose a project, and it will come like that. Okay, so only way to get Docker you need to learn later. So I'm not going to tell you how to use. So I use this one, and we came here and it's asked here. So it will ask for the sign in, and so your login as it will come like this, and enter numeric values. Now we choose a project, and we already reach here. So project shown here for different. So this is, yeah, so we gone through this one, and cloud. Now then we are going Cloud SDK action. So Cloud SDK component structure of gcloud command using command documentation, properties, and configuration. So to use CLI effectively, you must understand how to commands are organized in SDK. This way it will easy to guess the command, even if you don't know the exact command. So Cloud SDK is a bundle of different components. Last lesson you use gcloud component. A component can be separated CLI app and group of component used within master component. For example, gcloud component, CLI app, gcloud alpha, and gcloud beta is also component of group of command. Some of the important component in gcloud is the main Google Cloud component. gcloud alpha is a set of command use early testing of new feature. gcloud beta is beta feature release in the command. BG is known as a BigQuery component. gsutil is used for cloud storage, S for storage, G for Google storage. Core is the shared library. All other component. Kuber control is used control Kubernetes cluster. So you can see the list of component using gcloud component list. So you need to type gcloud component list and install component id, and you can remove. This is what we are trying here. Mini Kubernetes error. You cannot perform the action because gcloud cannot manage. So there is some access issue. Structure of gcloud command optional flag group of command. So thank you for watching. Please practice this part. This part is very important in your local. I will provide the documentation and the link in the video. Thank you for watching.